Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp status music not working. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, if you face this problem, if you want to post some photo in your status, for example this one, and as in my situation you have no music button at the top of your screen, but you actually want to add some music, all you need to do is to close this window first of all. Then you need to go to your App Store application. Here it is. Then at the bottom right corner click on the search icon and then type WhatsApp. Here it is. Then click on the WhatsApp Messenger, and then if you have new updates available you need to download them, so it can be one of the solutions of your problem. So after downloading you need to go to your WhatsApp application again and check if you have music feature. But if you still got this problem, the second thing you need to do is to go to your iPhone settings. Here it is, then scroll down a little bit, then click on the general option, then iPhone storage, here it is. Then you need to wait a little bit, scroll down and find WhatsApp application, here it is, and all you need to do is to click on the offload app, then offload app again, so it will clear all the cache, some bugs maybe, and it can be one of the solutions. Then click on the reinstall app, then you need to wait a few minutes. So after reinstallation you need to go to WhatsApp application again and check if you have this problem or it can be fixed already. But if you still got this problem, all you need to do is to go to your iPhone or go to your WhatsApp settings at the bottom right corner, here it is, then scroll down a little bit, find help button right up here, then click on the first option, help center, here it is, then click on the search help center right up here and type features, and then you need to click on the first one option, not seeing a feature on WhatsApp. Then you can read this message, scroll down, and then at the bottom of your screen you need to click on the contact us button. Then in this interface you need to tell about your problem, for example, hello, I can see music option in my WhatsApp status. So, and after that you need to click on the next button at the top right corner or send via email and send with your email this message. I will click on the next button. Then in this interface you need to click on the last option, send my question to WhatsApp support. So after that TikTok support will receive your message for a few hours, maybe a few days, and after that your problem will be fixed. So, and that's all, and that's how to fix WhatsApp status music not working. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.